in the way. A big buzzard in the background, off. See it? There's a fucking motor. So back up in Glenetive, it's Saturday the 10th of October, and the targets are today are Stob, Coir'an, Albannaich and Meall, Nan, Un. Like that sir. I've been practising. So we're up in Glenetive again today, as I say. Weather pretty overcast, I think there's some showers and that today, so we'll get the waterproofs on. Maybe a look about where we are. In here, isn't it? Aye. I'm filming on Brian's new GoPro. Mine's is knackered, so we're on the GoPro 7 today. We've got your Bogfest at the start. This is the exact same route as we took to go up Ben Starrive a few months ago. There you go, Bear Grylls, eat your heart out.
I've put my foot down there, nearly lost it.
Ah, it's boggy, very very boggy like the car is.
That's better.
Hi bud. There you go, picture postcard. Beautiful. There's another picture postcard there. Steep in it. I know. I've been walking for just over about an hour now. Hopefully that's the worst of the bog behind us. Going swimming up a wee bit now. Don't seem to have gained much height, but we've been walking for a while. Just came to the top of this waterfall. A bit of a break in the cloud, maybe clear up. The forecast was showers all day, so We'll take what we get. This is another new bit of kit I got. Just testing it today for the first time. It's a GPS system. It's a Garmin 64S. I've been using the SatMap 10 for a while, so I decided to upgrade. I say this is the first time trying it out, and it seems to be doing the job really well. That's us at the Meall, just ready to start the ascent at the first Munro. Up there, just ready to go into the flag. That's us nearing the summit. The first signs of winter here already. Bits of snow. Summit of the first Munro. Stob Coir'an, Albannaich. You can see some cracking views here. I know. Just let me check that GPS because I don't think coming that way. Not much in the way of views. The rain's been on for about the last half hour. We're just on the ascent of the second Munro. Not bad going, it was a bit hard coming down there with all the big slabs of rock, really slippy. But hopefully this will be us to the summit now. Going right, I think. Aye. There we go, the summit of Munro number 2. Meall, noon. And we're about 4.5 hours, I think, yeah? 4.5 hours. The views are fantastic, as you can see. Well done, mate. There you go, let's see that, social distancing. Social distancing at the top of the world. Big waters and all big under. Yeah, that's us basically down off the hill. We come down that valley there. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. It was actually worse coming down off the hill than it was going up it. We're back onto something a bit flat now. And I'm walking for about 7 hours.
Right.
The best part of 7 hours I'm walking. So I reckon we're still maybe like half hour to go before we're back to water. How you feeling, mate?
Shattered. These are shot to bits, see coming down these slopes. Murder.
Aye, that was hard. That was definitely hard coming down after that. But if you look at the weather, it's actually turned out no bad now. Not a view to be had at any of the two Munros. Sod's Law.
Nice on the way up, isn't it?
Aye, Sod's Law, come down off it. And it's a lot nicer. But
50% chance of visibility. This is the 50%
aye,
now.
aye, you're getting it now. You're getting it now. But another 2 Munros bag, that's the main thing. And a good workout. So until the next time. I actually know how the Garmin performed very well. I'm impressed. I'm well impressed. A lot better than the sat map. So I'm very glad about that.